All right, here we go. Gotta get the protein in. You guys aren't actually eating your meal prep chicken like this. Right? Because with some good culture cottage cheese in 10 minutes, you can turn boring leftovers into something you'll actually want to eat. I've got about a pound or 450 grams of leftover cooked chicken. It's probably one of the easiest things to bulk meal prep once you know how. Video linked below. Now the key here is the cottage cheese. Good culture cottage cheese has 14 grams of protein per serving and is made with clean ingredients. No gums, no thickeners, nothing artificial. And the reason I'm using it here is simple. It's thick, it's creamy, and it will form our high protein base. About 3/4 of a container or 330 grams goes straight into a food processor or blender. To that, I add 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of Dijon mustard and 4 tablespoons or 60 milliliters of olive oil. To brighten things up, I add the zest and the juice of 1 lemon, and now we start building some freshness into this. This is where the shallot comes in. Because you've got that creamy, high protein base from the cottage cheese and olive oil, the shallot just cuts through it. I'm only using about a tablespoon's worth, enough to add a little bite and start pushing this in a Greek style direction. Process or blend until it has a creamy, almost whipped mayo-like texture. And if it hasn't clicked yet, this is basically a high protein Greek style chicken salad. This is actually the best chicken salad I've had in general, and it's because the textures and flavors are just perfect. Celery adds a nice fresh crunch. I like to cut the thicker sections in half lengthwise like so, then chop up the stalks as normal. About 2 stalks go straight in. And then we've got the grapes. Red ones add a nice subtle sweetness and some extra color. This is me attempting to cut the grapes in half quickly. Great idea in theory. This would have been way smoother if my knife was actually sharp. After cleaning up the ones that didn't cut properly, I add about 1 cup or 150 grams of grapes straight into the mix. Fold those in, and now for the last couple things that really tie this together. Fresh dill goes in next. This is what really pulls it into that classic Greek flavor. I use these wispier bits and throw out the tougher stems. A quick chop, and about 2 tablespoons gets tossed in. Now I cannot express to you enough just how well feta works in this. It's tangy, it's salty, and really seals the deal on the Greek style flavors. 3 ounces or 90 grams crumbled in, and that is exactly what you want. And now I add it to the chicken. First only half of the sauce to help break up and hydrate the chicken, then the other half. Salt to taste, and it's time to enjoy. Whether on its own, in a lettuce wrap, or on a protein bun.
Wow.
And this is how you turn leftover chicken into something you actually want to eat.